Oh, my room is so messy. My day was so stressful. I am so tired today. Huh, must be Lisa. Oh God, tomorrow is Valentine Day. What should I plan for tomorrow? Let me talk with her first. May she had a plan for tomorrow. Hey, what are you doing, dear?
Hi, just arrived from work. What are you doing?
Nothing much. Was just sitting on the bed, and was thinking about tomorrow.
Oh, that means you haven't forget. Do you have any plans?
How could I forget that? No, still I don't have any plans. Tell me, what should we do tomorrow, or where should we go?
I also don't know. Let's go to our favorite place, Garden of Dreams. I just want to spend the time with you. Do you remember when we last visit there?
Yeah, long time ago. That would be the best idea. After that, we will go for a lunch.
Oh, you are offering me for a lunch? Or I have to pay for that?
Lunch from my side, dear. Now I have started to earn money, so don't worry about that.
I'm just joking. Okay, tell me, at what time we are meeting?
Let's meet around 11. Is that okay, honey?
Okay, I will be there at 11. What will you do now?
I am so stressed. I think I will sleep now. And you?
I have some notes to complete. I will finish that, and will sleep.
Okay, don't be late tomorrow. I will sleep now. Good night, sweet dreams. Love you so much.
Don't worry, I will be in time. See you tomorrow. Sleep well. Good night, sweet dreams. Love you a loads.
I was before time. She must be arriving.
Oh, he is already here. Hey handsome, am I late?
Yeah, you are 2 minutes late. Come, sit by my side.
You know, Alex, I love this place so much. We have lots of memories here.
Yeah, I love this place too. When I am here with you, I feel so relaxed.
I love you so much, Alex.
Without speaking a single word, when you are with me, I feel so happy. I just can't show my emotions on words.
I know, Alex, how much you love me. Don't do that. Someone will see us.
Let them see. I am kissing my girl. I think I don't have to worry about that.
Oh, Alex, you never gonna change.
I am hungry. And it's too hot now.
Okay, let's go. What would you like to have?
You love sea momo, right? Come, I will take you to the best place for sea momo.
Alex.
We are ordering sea momo, right?
Yeah. And Coke too.
How could I forget that you love Coke so much? Wait for a while. I will settle the bill. Let's go now. It's already 6 p.m. You may miss your bus.
Yeah, let's go.
Did you enjoy the day, dear?
Stop biting your nail. Yes, I enjoy a lot. I always feel happy when I am with you.
I love you so much. Here, your bus had arrived. Text me when you reached home.
Okay, bye Alex.
Bye.